Ya mwachi biem samo akwaba edo Badwam TV Badwam dwumade no so ni te kotegu yeda se eni nkranhyen semenden so ode breye yede nwom so abro de edu so no ya Adom TV Badwam kase ne etojo omubi ya wobetini Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia woye MPP amanyoko no Franka tuni se Ghana tumi no mo de manwa obehwe na nanu matran konwane aban ebeye adwuma abomu yede ho nsem no Ebebro na fe yakọ NDC John Dramani Mahama so ahyebo se haj ebo a yeje wo mo ansa na wo watu akwantu konkono no nyame ye na dom no obefro abanwa kese no obehwe de no so wate so eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube Adom TV Tube kase no ewo ho ensem wey ene bebre ka ho so okọ adomonline.com a ya kruchire ni nyina egu ho medin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said ensem ni chiremu ankasa etie MPP amanyoko no Franka tuni ye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wahye ebo setumi no bedine ensem na ofro abanwa kase no a obehwe na nananoma trankonwa ene amamuo mu no wonso edimu akotene kase no etwaso
Tosua share me pese me de bano the father nanam home me pese me twi nanam ebe government. I want to bring the chieftaincy institution closer to government. Me my dream say yeah, since independence yeti we have made an error ye bumaya ye de ahimfo etunche yemfa won ka ho but me pese me Mrano, Section 63 of the Chieftaincy Act, may be amended, sir, act no. That may more powers among ahimfo. Don't wait to me about government in the governance of this country.
And which were was a ship bonza. It would drab us men cinema no for Yahin Kai about NPP Abayabaso. So by ye. Akwaya wodo wo nkronim nyina wasiesie ama wo mo na wo hwempontunima NPP aban no aya wo gidi so manfo so ebegyira mpontunima no so edi akai wo mo.
We thank the NPP government for helping us with the road construction for both Draboso and Bozan town roads. Thank you so much. I can say NPP aban yadamase nyame shiramo nana wanya ne ba bi ko oyena bin say nanka obese obuta asan Yakupon fan kresi wa hukota me penso MPP aba masha se ama ye hu se bibi wo babi na anu ti no me shabo wo se moduma amoye no ye ma na come on notice you will be rewarded on that.
NDC amanyoko Franka tuni ya John Dramani Mahama na wose NDC aban a ebeba nyame eye na domo a obehwe na yenuanom nkramofo akwantu a won mo ekọ ye hajj na obehwe na bo no watumi so amano abafom emunsem eni
Ndisi amanyoko no Franka tuni ene nananom ene omanfo a wo gambaga na rerugu ene etwetwe enkomo ewo na proba wodi akopi atifedo apo ye mantemu dodo na ewo sa ekuro yimu eye muslimifo ya wo hwe kwan se hyehye ya wodo a NDC amanyoko ne de beto wanimu no ebesesan won mu abrabokra ba ko ka ho eye sika kase a wuti ansa no watimi akọ meka akobompa ya eye haje no de no ena kane mampanyi John Dramani Mahama editu dwase na aban eye hyehye ye pia na mamuo mu no hajj ne bo no ewo fam a ehye muslimifo nkran ema wo mo etu sa kwan no.
We worked on the Tamale airport so that if our people are traveling for the hajj they don't have to go all the way to Accra to be able to fly directly to the Holy Land. And as president I witnessed the first flight from Tamale airport that went straight to Medina and carried our pilgrims to Mecca. We also were able to keep the price of Hajj very low. And so before I left office, if you wanted to go for Hajj, the cost was 11,900 cedis, less than 12,000 cedis. Today, if you want to go to Hajj, you have to pay not less than 75,000 cedis before you are able to perform the pilgrimage.
Aban lawyer Penny Ora Godfrey Badwam they ato Chief Justice anim say temwafo ya womo edi galamse ho ensemo no wonhwe na oni no hariso sabre ya womo everyone humije mo eba no wonhwe say galamse ho nsem bia no obedi no hariso akase no etwaso
are secured but they come in trickles. Currently, over 140 cases of illegal mining involving over 850 accused persons are pending in courts in the Western, Eastern, Ashanti, Greater Accra, and Upper East regions of Ghana. Some have been pending since 2020. This situation, with all respect, cannot be right. We are in urgent national crisis, and all citizens and institutions with any form of role to play must be called upon to act. Your leadership, I therefore respectfully call on you to direct all judges sitting on Galamsey cases to conclude the cases, the hearing of which has started within 1 month from the commencement of the legal year on 10th October 2024.
Nanusi yepe enagana temwafo penyine Justice Araba Isaba Tokuno editu jase ensemo wakani nyina wate ya wobetu ho anamo nanso bebre na ya na twentwe ne nase no wode ho sobo no ebebo kwadubofo a ya na nsem no ehye wonsa.
Petitions about delays through unending adjournments of cases. There's no need for a court to adjourn a case after the case management conferences for mention. My firm view, developed from 20 years of sitting as a trial judge and appellate judge, is that it should not be the norm that parties are made to dress up, leave their businesses, spend money traveling, and spend time just sitting in a court premise only to hear the title of their case called out and told to come back another date. On the issue of delays in Galamsey cases, the Attorney General will acknowledge that our engagements have shown that the delays often come from the work of prosecutors.
President, Adom Institution of Engineering and Technology Ghana, Henry Kwajobuatin, Nene wants so do ho ajimubi organized labor and coalition against Galamsey. Ho strike and also do ho ajimubi fi se nso ni nyina sai kwaye bretu no nyina so enkofo tutu koko na sai ni nyina antino o se Ghana fo nyina so wo fie sa wo amono ne o se nyina de ho jimu emu nsa woni kase no edi nkomo.
IET yefwa organized labor omo united na omo esino yefwa so and Ghana Institution of Engineering, surveyors, architects, planners, na Kabumu, yan say the home be babonsi, extra abandon say, and Kabaya unbanding illegal mining, Galamsey no. It organized labor no, because engineers, planners, all the build environment professionals, and almost 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 you can't organize labor Inti yani ya but ya adwene ya best president say na kakra edan tamu onto na mo na onye hu bibi because omai yentimi ntran ho masade no ensi ko ohwe essential institutions ewo omai mu ni dwumadi a omudie no so omka so omon kwadwuma e de how bebre ne beba Ghana Water, Electricity, VRA, any other engineering institutions, any other institutions also render very essential services. More may now because call striker any idea as a your best president say anyway are known to and more and from strike no and muscle.
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso ehwe no na ahwe ehwe apomuden hu nsam so de adwumayefo bi a wonu madwuma nso yi ntinam so de hia to no nanom nsie do akoma CID ni Attorney General say wonu mo enhwehwem adwumayefo yi e wo trauma and specialist hospital emu nsam etwaso
Enkreta asoye sharp omude ho nsam so ede betu dwa ene wo kire mu se soafo a wo hwa asoye so Dr. Bernardo Koboy ahye se nyoye ekoso e wo Winneba Trauma and Specialist Hospital ye nam so ema nipa baako ehwere ne nkwa no Criminal Investigation Department CID ene Attorney General's Department enhwehwemu abrasa asemi ebetu dwa no Ghana Health Service etse abodwakuo se wonum enhwehwe nyoye a adwumayefo no eyeye nimu enum won hwehwemu a woye wieye no wode ba betu dwa se adwumayefo an wo hono mo sa abre no wonom ka wo hu bomu ena ohyeda eyi yarefo no efi aresabia hono mo ede ne ko odwobi ya osusu se hono mo en wo firi ekoja ne wo hono mo a enam so ma wo hwere ne nkwa na saade a wo ye no na nya ne kwan so eno no abedekuo no esan so di tudwa se adwuma yefuo yi internal disciplinary procedures a ewo Ghana Health Service mu no wonfa so no wontwe wono mo aso enso asoye no adwene ho ahunu se ade a wono mo ye no ano ode ne pa sanse enam wono no ye so amobi ahwere ne nkwa ne senti asoye no ade atudwa se Attorney General ene swafo a ohye justice so enye sansemi mu nhwehwemu ensiase afei asoye sharp mudi ho nsam so no asan asre Attorney General's office se wono mo nhye nhwehwemu ase emfa sansemi ho na asotwe a esefata se wode madwumayefo no wonfa wonom emfa so enkrata ni mu no wode atudwa se asoye sharp mudi ho nsam so no aye krado se adwenkyere ene nsusuye a abedwaku a wotena saasemi so ema Ghana Health Service nyina no wode beye adwuma enkrata PRO a wo apomuden asoye honom na ne nsa ehyase
Madina Mrashe Bejani ye lawyer Francis Xavier Susu ene waye nyameso ade sukufo aduno a wonni ajanina e wa batom pesua no so no waso won masene e wo ngumasue
Susu orphan project as a project ne die e wo me office ne ye dik me ma nyankankwa e wo Madina na we mu ne the first beneficiaries aye hwe se ye behwe omo akosu se o meet me ewie university kra enti edwumedi aye friend no the day of compassion and I say ehummobo da no ni nchechire mu no eno no ne ye bompa ye se edwumedi ehu ne se kwancha de efe na so ye disika na ye we hwe se ni a edwumedi ne kono a ehu sikasem eya na ha adwen papa enti e be stress the Madina Emergency Relief Fund bi a ye de ato ho no mo a eto de bi e mo ne ye boa ene ye kikasika e de boa wo mo a wo mo ni bi na ye de e boa ye some of ye say outreach no wo be boa ama yetimi aye amana aye krabehwe.
Unit Committee Member Rebecca Akwete enso e de to Adom News nsentwofo anim ekwan a wo mo fa so enya san nipa yi a sese wo mo enya moa efiri mrahye bejani ni wo
ebenum amufu agu ebenum ni ohwo wo mo no wo mo ni hwe nti mankra ni nam gain center adetia wo mo nam pasabasa nti ebu ekwan no na mekofa wo mu a wo mo nam nse me de wo mo ba na MP ahwo wo mama me school.
Oman Ghana ngumasua akwananimu yie pa na emu aseda no ne yese yemfama National Association of Graduate Teachers wonomo edada adwumadi a wonomo yesa chechirefo no mo boanso ema adesua ne adekire aya kono nagrat ba ye wonya 25 years na numu no na nkramanta mi modwamtene ni eye Henry tete afi wo bo wonomo abaso akase no edebe
that ba no amati sheni no ne wetumpon we making progress e wo ne ejuma na oye no mu in terms of rank tete no uwe university a usan betua bebi ana ufi yansa na uko university ni na je say university na uko ye no reward bi amemu in terms of your salary or your rank bana no na ye pray wa na grant say no we university a e was say ye recognize say we university na niama esesa ema o inti se sia obi we university a onko principal onko senior superintendent biom or principal superintendent inti enche na obedu director me say me nche den yi but me gina he me deputy director echina no me kwa ko director 2 director 1 na just my ready meet my Director General of Ghana Education Service
and wechi and GS Council Secretary Ironada Kwaya wono and etena ponti wodwumedi na sedeto nagrat enim se wo man hwehwemu eni wanim kan ewo ndwuma wo ye no se bayi a ebetimi aboa ewo gina yesie emu.
There's no single document we use other than your own code of conduct. So I'll plead with you to kindly read your code of conduct. Everything is spelled out there. And read the Pre-Tertiary Act 1049 Act 2020. And then I will urge NAGRAT to also work with the other unions to have a well-developed scheme of service.
Menya no so na Adom TV kase no ha na bema kwan na no pay die no ye de siase da na ye wo de emre ne adaje a bribia no de ma yenti ye kwaba de wonkrata ne bia ba online de ne bi nso ho oda ro ma twen ye mfanto so ye nche kra ye ba ye to so